Hello, everybody. It is January 20th, and the market did something unexpected and pretty interesting. We had this huge, what was this, about 3% swing intraday? Is huge. And we finished the day way down here. Just this huge sell off at the end of the day. I was not expecting that, personally. I was expecting it to just kind of range today. But we did that. That's fine. Let's just get it over with. We're almost the 200-day SMA. That's this line you see coming up right here, and it's this white horizontal line right there. Okay, and then 10% corrections right here, 43.20. All right. So the question is, where is it going to stop? I think its next target is this 236 fib. That's at 43.89. 43.89. If it does not bounce at the 200 day, now the 200 day is going to be very strong support, I think. I think it's going to be very strong support. Let's go back in time. Okay, 200 days is bottom one. Last time we pierced the 200 day was coronavirus. There, okay? Came up a bit here and hasn't seen it since then. Okay, before that, the 200 day has always held pretty good support. Fell here. This is the last time we had rate increases. Broke the 200 day. Okay, but if you look back here, the 200 day is very strong support. Now, I do think it's going to be strong support tomorrow. Is it going to hold? I don't know. It's going to be very tough. I think if we gap down below it, it's a straight shot to 43.20. Straight shot. If we gap down below the 200 day overnight, if we're up above it and we open the day a little bit higher, if we gap up a little bit, then I think the 200 day might be where we end. Either the 200 day or this 236 fib might be where we end Friday. It's be one or the other. If we ended here and we bounced back up from here, we didn't quite get the full 10%. That'd be about 8%, I think. That's fine, and I'd be pretty happy with this correction to the 200 day. The market has really needed a correction, and this is fine. At the 200 day, I'm going to probably start opening some SPY leaps at the 200 day here. I'll probably open some SPY leaps, depending on what kind of bounce we may or may not see off of that level. So I think if that breaks, though, we're doing this 43.90, 43.89, 43.90. That is a fib retracement from all-time highs to the low on October 1st. That's a fib retracement there. And if we break that, then 43.20 is the next likely area. That's a 10% correction, and it does correspond with some areas of support over here. And then if that breaks, we're going to 42.60 right here. And if that breaks, God only knows. But I don't think that's going to break personally. I think at most what we see 10% correction, which is fantastic. It gives us very good entry levels to get into fantastic things for our long-term portfolios, and it's really nice levels. We'll be able to buy some leaps off of that and play some diagonals for income. It'll be great. So that's what's going on here today. You may be wondering why this fell, and this just fell. As far as I can tell, there was no news. It was just a fall on technicals. Finally, some people are just exhausted. They're just, okay, it's not going to go up. Just sell the thing, and that's what's going to happen. This kind of move on this kind of volume, I could see as being capitulation, but let's look on the daily. Daily actually didn't spike that much. The 1 hour is a big spike, though. 1 hour is a big spike, same as like back here. It could be some capitulation, which means it'll probably move a few more bars down before it comes up, but it would be near the bottom. Now, we don't need to bottom tick this to get in on some SPY leaps. What I'd like to do is wait and really be sure we've kind of found a bottom, and then get into some SPY leaps, because we've got so far to move. I mean, we got to go all the way back up to 4,800 here. We've got 300 points to move. So we want to, we don't need to bottom tick them. But I think we have an amazing opportunity to make some money here, swing trades, and it'll be fantastic. All right, that's all I've got. Just keep your eye on what this does overnight. If it gaps below 200, it's going to drop like a rock, is my opinion. But I don't think we're going to. I think we'll come in right about where we are right now, is what I think. And then we're definitely, in my opinion, definitely going to test that 200 tomorrow. We have to test it. We're so close to it, we have to go and test it. In fact, let's look on the SPY real quick, because that's on the ES. Let's look on the SPY, see what level the 44120 is the 200 day. Let's mark this as well. 441. All right, so keep that on your charts as well. We'll watch one or the other and see where it goes. All right, that's what I got for you. Have a nice evening, everybody. Bye-bye.